So this is where the birds get food. This is a food trough. There's a chain that runs along here and brings fresh food to the birds several times a day. And here you see the birds pecking at the food. The feed line has just started, and the birds recognize that noise, and they're all rushing forward to get some fresh food at the food trough. This is how the hens get water. There's a water line that runs along here, and every few inches there's a nipple. When the bird pecks at the nipple, it gets water. A hen has to make an awful lot of eggshells. It's laying about 320 eggs in a year, and it has to make 320 eggshells, and that's a lot of calcium to process. So this farmer gives the hens some extra calcium in the form of oyster shell. These are the crushed up shells of oysters that probably have been eaten by human beings or may have been collected off a beach somewhere. And the hens eat that as an extra source of calcium. This is a very modern farm, and it has an automatic weigh scale. So when chickens occasionally jump onto this platform here, they get automatically weighed, and the farmer then knows if they're in good body condition and if he needs to change his feeding schedule.
So we manage the waste disposal by having a slatted floor through which the chickens' droppings fall onto a belt. Once every couple of days we advance that belt, and there's a scraper that peels off the manure. And if you walk in the barn, you'll smell almost a fresh smell. So the management system works very effectively. The finished manure is transported into a bin, and it's shipped to an organic farm where it's used as a fertilizer.